Please welcome Paul Kanan.
Take It From The Top is a professional development arts education program for aspiring young artists to learn about this craft with a professional perspective.
So your cue is snowing in the middle of summer.
It's such a unique experience, unlike anything else. You get to work with the best of the best, people that come all the way from New York to work with us. They know what it's like to be on Broadway.
They're really nice. They're really helpful at teaching you things. They're just really amazing.
You just get training in a whole week that you wouldn't get anywhere else, which is really cool.
I really believe that the life skills that they learn on stage will help them in any career they do. Confidence, teamwork, collaboration, taking risk to kind of put yourself out there. All of that's so valuable for the rest of your life.
You get to do things you never thought you would or could, and I think that's really cool.
Every student that comes here is special, and nobody sings like them, nobody dances like them, nobody acts like them. And especially in today's day and age, we just need to bring out our hearts, and kids need more opportunity to do that.
It's just somewhere where you can express yourself without fearing, or almost without being judged.
There's something for everybody, whether you are young and new and just trying it out for fun, or you're very serious about it and about to go to college and pursue this path.
Give me my clothes.
They work with the students to make sure that it's as enjoyable of an experience as possible.
If you've got your heart set on one thing or another, let's play with that.
Even if, it's new or it's scary.
Read the scene a few times.
We try to have fun, because that's why I did theater, and that's why I still do theater. Our program is where you can try out new things in a fun way and just enjoy and celebrate at the end.
I'd say definitely do it and commit to it fully. And if you commit fully and just tell yourself you're going to have fun, then you will.
Do it. It's so much fun, and you'll learn so much from it. It's amazing.
I would say 100% do it. It's really fun, and it's only a week long, so it really doesn't take that much time out of your summer. It's just so fun. Everyone's so nice.
This community is so supportive of the arts, so it's a beautiful place to create and work with young people.